In this video, I'm excited to share with you this wonderful scholarship opportunity by the Malaysian government to all international students from developing countries. It is a fully funded scholarship and the application is free of charge. The perks includes tuition fees, monthly allowance of 3,500 Malaysian ringgit every month, covering your living allowance, travel allowance, house rental allowance, medical allowance, thesis allowance, insurance allowance, and many more. The scholarship gives you the opportunity to study in any 20 public universities in Malaysia. Successful applicants will be in Malaysia in October 2023. Please watch this video till the end to take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends. This is the website of the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia. The scholarship is called the Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program, Mtcp. The objectives of the scholarship is to strengthen bilateral ties with developing countries and also to share experience with other developing countries. And this scholarship is sponsored by the Malaysian Government to dedicated international students. I'm going to click on this link for us to learn more. So once we're on this page, before we can start the application proper, let's go through the guidelines. So this is the guideline for this scholarship, Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program, MTCP 2023, and who can apply. It says, if you're a citizen of the MTCP recipient countries, we're going to see this in a bit, and we are intending to pursue full-time postgraduate studies. So if you're pursuing your master's degree, you are eligible for this particular scholarship. And how do you apply for the scholarship? You're going to be applying online, and this is completely free of charge. And these are the documents that you'll be needing. You're going to be filling out the application form. You're going to be needing an admission offer letter from Malaysian University, which we are going to see in a bit. You're going to be needing letter of recommendation, statements of intent, certified copy of academic transcript, your curriculum vitae, a copy of English language proficiency test, or an official letter from the previous institution declaring English language as your medium of instruction. If you have completed your bachelor's degree in English, you don't need to submit any language proficiency test. All you have to do is to get an official letter from your university. A copy of your passport, minimum of 18 months validity, medical examination report, and COVID vaccination proof. And these are the eligibility criteria. You should not be more than 45 years old at the time of application. You should have a second class upper honors or 3.5 CGPA. You have to show proof of language proficiency test, or if you have obtained a previous degree in English, so you have to show a letter from your university. You must be ready to undertake a full-time study program in any of the selected Malaysian universities, and you should have received an offer letter from this university, or if you're already studying in any of this university, you shouldn't be more than one semester. Level of study is the master's degree level, full-time study, and these are the list of universities that you must apply to be able to be eligible for this particular scholarship. So you have to apply to one of these universities and get their admission letter. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. The benefits of the scholarship includes tuition fees, allowance of 3,500 Malaysian ringgit per month, which will be covering your living allowance, your book allowance, tool allowance, house rental allowance, placement allowance, thesis allowance, travel allowance, practical training allowance, end of study allowance, medical allowance, insurance allowance. Also, there's going to be a one-off return economy class air ticket allowance. And these are the areas of study for this particular scholarship. So priorities should be given to these following areas: science, technology, and engineering, not including nursing, medicine, and clinical pharmacy. Also, if you're in economics, finance, management, and banking, social science and humanities, information and communication technology, international relations and political science, agriculture and aquaculture, education. And here it says applicant must choose any related course within these areas mentioned. So be sure to choose any related course within these areas mentioned here. And these are the selection criteria. You should have a high level of academic achievement, excellent communication in English, And these are the terms and conditions. Please ensure that you read it carefully. And this is the contact information. If you have any issues whilst making this application, or you have questions bothering your mind, please do well to write to this email address here. And if you're having technical problem whilst filling this application online, you can also send your screenshots and email this particular address below. Let's click on the frequently asked questions so that we can see the list of countries that are eligible for this particular scholarship. I think the first important question is the application period. And here it says that this application is open from the 23rd of May until the 30th of June 2023. For the academic year 2023-24, so these are the eligible countries that can apply to this scholarship. There are so many countries listed here, so please do well to look through it. Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Mali, Singapore, Malawi, Mauritius, Mexico, Ethiopia, Bangladesh, Morocco, Benin, Georgia, Namibia, Thailand, Tanzania, Nigeria, Brazil, Togo, Kenya, Iran, Iraq, Indonesia, Pakistan, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, Uganda, Ukraine, Qatar, Rwanda, Madagascar, Zambia, Zimbabwe, a whole lot. Also, an important question here is, what is the tertiary level? So this particular scholarship is open to only postgraduate level. Is this scholarship available to part-time postgraduate studies? No, this scholarship only covers full-time master's degree program. How long is the sponsorship of this MTCP? And it says it's for master's degree and the maximum sponsorship is 36 months. So they're going to sponsor you until 3 years for your master's program. When can I expect to hear the results? So here, this is the timeline for this application. It's already open on the 23rd of May, and the deadline is going to be the 30th of June 2023. And they're going to be doing the shortlisting process in the middle of July 2023. And there'll be an invitation for an interview at the end of July, an interview section at the early August, and there'll be announcement of successful applicants end of August 2023, and you will be arriving Malaysia in October 2023 to begin your studies. So please do well to go through the list of the questions here and familiarize yourself. And once you're ready to make this application, all you have to do is to click on login, and it brings you to this particular interface. So if you have already created an account before, you're going to be logging in with your passport number and password. Otherwise, you're going to click here to sign up, and here it's already showing you the application date, which is open from 23rd of May until 30th of June. I'm going to be clicking on sign up. Now you fill out all your details like so. Make sure you select master program here and then your personal details, and you click on register. And now it says passport number was successfully registered. Then you have to click here to log in to apply for the scholarship. So now I'm going to enter with my passport number and my password. And then it brings you to this page where you're going to be filling in your personal details as well as your mailing address. So now it brings me to this interface for the application, and now you can see the academic background. I'm going to click on this green button, add. It brings you to add your education details, and once you're done, you click on back, and then you continue that way. It's going to be peculiar to each person, so I wouldn't be going through that in this video, filling everything all out. Please take your time and fill it as correct as possible so that they can understand your case, so that way you can stand a chance of winning this scholarship. And if you have not got admission from any of these universities, I would encourage you to first of all make application in any of these universities, bearing in mind the area of studies, so that you can be sure to get already an offer letter from any of these universities. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.